Join me as I dive into the challenge of picking the perfect circuit breaker for every situation. Let's see if I can get it right. When it comes to electrical systems, safety and efficiency are top priorities. That's why selecting the right circuit breaker is so crucial. Think about it, circuit breakers are your first line of defense against electrical overloads and potential fires. If you choose the wrong one, you're not just risking your equipment, you're also putting yourself and others at risk. Using the wrong circuit breaker can lead to some serious issues. Overloads are a common problem where the breaker fails to trip when it should, causing damage to wiring and appliances. This can also lead to safety hazards like electrical fires or even electrocution. I've seen cases where the wrong breaker was used, and it was only a matter of time before something went terribly wrong. The consequences can be devastating, not just for your property, but also for people's lives. The wrong circuit breaker can also cause nuisance tripping, where the breaker trips unnecessarily, disrupting your power and causing inconvenience. This can be particularly problematic in areas with critical power needs like data centers or hospitals. And let's not forget about the maintenance costs. Using the wrong breaker can lead to more frequent replacements and repairs, which can add up quickly. Another issue with using the wrong circuit breaker is that it can be difficult to diagnose the problem. You might spend hours trying to figure out why your breaker keeps tripping or why your equipment isn't working properly. It's a frustrating and time-consuming process that can be avoided by simply choosing the right circuit breaker in the first place. So, what are the different types of circuit breakers out there, and how do you choose the right one? You've got your standard circuit breakers, which are suitable for most residential and commercial applications. Then you've got your ground fault circuit interrupters (GFCs), which are designed for areas with high water usage, like bathrooms and kitchens. You've also got your arc fault circuit interrupters (AFCs), which are designed to prevent electrical fires. When selecting a circuit breaker, there are several factors to consider. You've got to think about the voltage and current ratings, as well as the type of load you'll be using. For example, if you're powering a lot of inductive loads like motors or transformers, you'll need a breaker that can handle the inrush current. You should also consider the breaker's interrupting capacity, which is its ability to safely interrupt a fault. The key to making the right circuit breaker selection is to prioritize both safety and functionality. You want a breaker that can handle your electrical needs while also providing protection against overloads and faults. Look for breakers that meet industry standards like those from UL Underwriters Laboratories.